Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about a new website. In this website you can invest a small amount of TRX and gain a large profit from this website. Before I review all the information about this website, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Before starting video, I request my all viewers watch video complete to understand more information about this websites. I will provide you a link in the description. You can click on a blue link in the description and go to the registration page of like this page. You can see my invitation code, and this is not my invitation code, this is my friend invitation code, and my invitation is already put it here. When you click on my link and put it here, your mobile number, login password, security password and verification captcha. I fill all these details, and after filling details I will remove the video to see you how to fill this all one by one. You can see that I fill all the details. This is my phone number and password, confirm password, and I put this captcha in this page and this portion. I click on a page and you can see a 4164. I click on a 4164 and click on a registration page. You can see that the page is loading registration successfully. I entered into the websites and click on a login password and enter into the websites. You can see that here you always put it a captcha in this to login in this websites. I click on a captcha and fill this after before entering in the websites. I click on a 418 and I click on a registration and login page. I will put it the correct and will remove the video again. I entered in the website. You can see my total balance is 5000 TRX. It is my reward of login new account in this websites. And in the down you can see a look of this website is very beautiful, and many website in this type is running in the market. And you can see a TRX market performance. I will explain all these proportions one by one, and withdrawal option and recharge at the end of this video. And team option I will review, partner, point malls, digital daily games, active wallets, promotions, and TRS market performance and other options I will review. Please watch the video complete. First of all, I will review the upper option of this websites. I click on upper option. You can change the language of this websites. It is available in Malaysia and other language, Turkey and this Chinese language. And click on a message option from this second, and I click on it and you can see a page is loading. I will review when the page loaded completely to what is in this page. Friend, this page is not loading well. I will review other portions, and after at the end I will review it this portion if it is possible. If you want to contact the Telegram and other services of this website, you can click on a Telegram and service options. You can see here WhatsApp, Telegram and Telegram group. You can join all this and to ask your question from our services and customers of the websites. And in the down you can see portions of your total balance, and in the down you can see a team option. I click on a team option. You can see your team, how many person you invited from your link. I will review how to copy your link and invite friends in this websites. I go back to my home page and I will review the second, third and fourth portions of first line partners. You can see the following are listed exchange where TRX can be purchased for recharging. You can use these wallet to recharge in these websites or to deposit or to withdraw from these websites. And you can see it clearly. I will provide you a link in the description. You can invest it and earn many profit from this website. You can see all these are sporting in these websites. And I click on a home page. You can see in the down you point mall. You can collect points if your refers on this and invested in these websites. And in the down you can see a daily gift. It is a very daily gift coming soon because this website is very new and new launched websites. This portion is coming soon. I will review it. If it is possible, I make another video of this daily gift. And I click on a game option. You can see that a game option is coming soon. And active, I click on active option. You can see a cumulative deposit 5 to 550,000 TRX, minimum daily income 5% cumulative deposit. You can can see all these informations carefully. I will provide you in the description. You can check out. User registered to recharge by sharing the promotion link and the promotion wallet can get TRX reward. The promotion account will receive the top up amount 13% for the first level, 6% for the second level and third level for the third level. If you want to join the event, you must actively contact the service application. The time limit is before 2020 on the day. Otherwise, it will take effect the next day. If you have any question, please contact the official customer service working hours or to answer you. Thank you for your understanding and support. You can see a link of WhatsApp and Telegram. I go back to the website's home page and you can see wallets and promotions. You can see my wallet and you can see a TRX market performance. You can see the TRX market performance is up and down. This portion is only for TRX, and in the down you can see platform cumulative data and active user. You can see 24,375 are active user of this website. Because this website is very new, this is a small amount of user who working in this websites, and in future this website will become a large source of income in the future. And I will explain how to earn from this websites. Click on a trade option. You can see a trade option. I click and you can see 5% cloud mining is working. If you deposited any small amount of account in a basic account, to activate your account, your mining is automatically start and mining regularly added in your wallets of other and basic accounts. I click on a invest option. You can see a invest option is coming soon, and I click on a share option. You can see your invitation link. You can copy link and share to your friends to invite in a tronYTY.com websites. And I click on a mine option. You can see a mine option is very necessary to explain. In the app you can see your total balance is 5,000 and your number, invitation code, and withdrawal option and deposit, and this is very important. TRX deposit quantity 0 TRX. I do not deposit in this website, but I deposit at the end of the video to check you how to deposit in these websites. And in the down you can see a content task option, team option. I already describe submit tickets and transaction records. You can check it, and I click on a content task option. You can see WhatsApp, Telegram, and links to content, the customer service, and submit a ticket. I click on a submit ticket. You can ticket title and work order content. And in the down you can see a transaction record. I have do not transaction record. You can see our registration rewards. You can see your rewards and any other profits list from these portions. And in the down you can see station news, balance, conversation, change password, login, download app. You can download the app of these websites and use it as an Android app. I click on download the app. You can see the page is going to download the app of these websites, tronYTY, and free install. I click on a free install to install this page and web. I do not want to install this app. You can download it, and I click on a deposit option. You can see a deposit option is very simple, and you can deposit in this website by Trust Wallet, and I already review you all these 14 cryptocurrencies and wallets. I click on a deposit option. You can see a two portion, but first we describe this: recharge and transfer to the basic account and receive the income according to the Singapore time zone. After 24 hours every day, when the recharge is transferred into the investment account, you can receive the income according to the different cycles and return the principal and income when due. Tips: before investing, please choose a basic account or investment account according to your investment needs. Please wait for arrival of the account before recharging, which is a key problem. And I click on a basic account. You can see I click on a basic account and copy this link to send him a price of TRX. You can see please do not recharge other non-TRX. It will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging. If it has not arrived for a long time, please refresh the page and recharge. After sending him a price, click on a recharge completed. First, I send him a price of 20 TRX from my Trust Wallet account. I enter my lock and click on a Tron options and send him a Tron you can only send him a Tron, and I click on a 20 TRX and click on a continue options, and you can see that my confirmed transaction is to this. You can check your link carefully because if you send another address, the transaction is not reached in your account. I confirm my address and click on a send option to send him a price of 20 TRX, and I will review when my transaction arrived in my accounts, and you can transaction error. I will confirm it and after send it. Now I am send him a TRX20 deposit in this website. You can see that transaction is in a pending. I will review when my transaction added in the account. You can see my account transaction is cutted in my account. You can check my TRX because at the end I withdrawal from this website to see how many TRX I will receive from this website, and withdraw. You can withdraw from this website daily and free. And you can see that my sent 20 TRX to this address, and I go to my website page and click on recharge completed. Application submitted. You can see that I will wait 5 to 10 minutes because the team added my balance in my account balance. You can see the mine options, and I will review other portions of this websites. You can balance conversation and download app. I already explained because in the start I already explained. I wait for my transaction because it will take 5 to 10 minutes, and I refresh to check my transaction received or not. You can see that my transaction is not reached. I will stop the video. I will remove when my transaction received in my account. Here you can see that my transaction of 20 TRX received in my account without any taxes. In the end, I will request all my viewers, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and also press the bell icon. I will explain the withdrawal option. I click on a withdrawal option. You can see a withdrawal limit. It is the limit of daily. You can daily withdraw 21 TRX from this websites. I click on a withdrawal address. I copy from my trust wallet. You can see that I click on a trust wallet, and you can see I click on a trust wallet to copy my TRX address from this wallet. I go to my page, and you can see that I paste here and paste your limit 1 TRX. I click on a 1 TRX to limit here, and I click 1 TRX and click on a submitted. Before I check you my transaction and my total amount of this websites, and I received not or received a withdrawal. You can see that my total TRX is 0.7, and I withdrawal from this website. I click on a submit, and you can see that successfully submitted, and I clear this message from the trust wallet, and I wait for my transaction received or not. You can see that I go to my wallets and refresh the page to check my transaction received or not. I wait for it, and you can see here my total transaction is 1.7. I receive from this website 1 TRX because my daily limit is 1 TRX. You can increase your limit to invest in these websites more and more TRX, and you can deposit more and more TRX and withdrawal from this more and more TRX. I will review before because, and I will review that content us and other portions, and I will review the information of this message because this portion is not opening because I do not review this. At the end, I want to say, my friends, please like the video. Take care. Goodbye.